Hey nail tubers, our model Sanjoko is wearing 3XL tapered square tips, and today's set is going to be a recreation with a twist. This is matte top coat because you'll see me use alcohol inks. I like the set so much when I did it before, but the previous ones were extendos, and if I find it, because that set was done last year, so yeah, if I find it I'll insert a clip. Now I can wear and function with long nails, but definitely not extendos. And that's why I'm recreating them. And different from those, which were press-ons, I'm doing an acrylic set. Oh, and you'll only see a few nails each phase because they're all going to be the same. Alcohol ink is not expensive at all. In fact, for this, I used alcohol inks by Makartt, the ones with the white handles, and you can find them on Amazon anywhere from $13 to $15. So that falls in place with being able to create easy to do and beautiful bougie nails on a budget. And the bottles with the black handles are, if some of you remember, they're from the DIY alcohol inks we did, and I'll have a link in the description for anyone who wants to try that on a budget too. In the end, they'll have a stunning, colorful, glassy transparency. I forgot how fun and easy this set was. This requires no art or drawing skill, which makes it super easy. It's all total random. Now, before going in with the acrylic, a layer of glossy top coat to keep it from smearing. Then I thought about something while doing these because I kept going back and forth trying to decide whether to do an ombre or an extended nail bed. So if you're at the start of your nail journey or a relatively new learner, you don't have to do extended nail beds like I did. You can make it even easier for yourself and do ombre instead. And it's going to look beautiful either way. I am so happy with these, and the bling is just right. Not too much to take away from the colorful glass finish. If you like them, hit the like button. And if you haven't or visiting for the first time, consider subscribing and join our NailTube family. I appreciate each and every one of you and look forward to seeing you in the next one. Much love.